In the last episode, clearly I have shown you the subtractions. When minus comes in the answer, what to do, what is match, what is mismatch, how you have to do in few seconds, isn't it? Let there be any number of numbers, the subtraction can be done in few seconds, no question of borrowing, all these things will not be there. Clearly I have shown you. Now I am going to show you one more amazing thing of speed maths in subtractions, how to subtract a fraction from a full number in few seconds. Just you see, you will enjoy. Now I will give you a small thing, you see.
27 minus 14 by 19.
Okay. How to do?
27 into 19. 9 into 7 equal to 63. 3 here, 6 outside. 9 into 2, 18. 18 plus 6 equal to 24. 24 here. 1 into 7, 7. 1 into 2, 2. 2, 7 here. The final answer is 513.
19 sevens, 163, 38 plus this, you will get 513.
5, 1, 3 minus 14. 9, 9, 4. 4, 9, 9 divided by 19. 2 19s, 38. 4 minus 3, 1. 9 minus 8, 1. 9. 6 19s, 1, 1, 4. 9 minus 4 equal to 5. 5. 5 divided by 19. The final answer is 26 5 by 19.
You have to multiply 27 with 19, right? Again you have to subtract 14.
26 5 by 19.
26 5 by 19. Okay. Let us see, simply I will tell you.
8 minus 1 by 2 equal to 7 into 1 by 2. 2 into 8 equal to 16. 16 minus 1 equal to 15. 15 by 2 equal to 7 into 1 by 2.
8 minus half, 7 and half. But here 27 minus 1 you cannot do. Suppose
3, 7, 8, 9, 5, 4 minus 1, 0, 4 divided by 1, 0, 9.
this is the way wherever it is, but here this can be done in 2 seconds, this can be done in 2 seconds. 800 years back, or some people will say not 800, it is thousands of years back, our people have invented this. Our own people invented, it is written in Vedas thousands of years back. It can be done in 2 seconds, it can be done in 2 seconds only. Will you believe? Until I explain you, I think some people may know, but many people will not believe. That is the heritage of our Indian culture. Otherwise, how they did construct temples? We have seen that Kalahasti temple 500-600 years back Krishnadevara has constructed, but our people are unable to keep it. It has become a heap of stones. They have dug tanks, they have constructed dams. How it was possible? Physically everything was not done. At that time they know how to use pulleys. By applying 10 pounds you can lift 1000 pounds. Pulleys were there, and you know Charaka Samhita, you might have listened the name of Charaka, the greatest doctor. Charaka, he has written the book Charaka Samhita. He used to do brain operations with stone operators 4000 years back. At that time no metal was there, and he used to do even brain operations with stone operators. Can you imagine that? That was the heritage of ours. So, all these things now you are struggling. Suppose if this subtraction is given somewhere, you have to break your head or you have to leave it. How can you multiply this 3, 7, 8, 9, 5, 4, 8, 109, and how again you have to subtract, again you have to divide, but our people thousands of years back invented to do in 1 second, 1 or 2 seconds, that is all. Unbelievable. I will tell you, see. Now 27 minus 14 by 19 is 26 5 by 9. Virtually we have multiplied 27 with 19, subtracted 14. Even I have struggled because all these things I have forgotten after learning speed maths, and finally we got the answer like this. But it can be done in 2 seconds only. How? Here please observe, this 14 by 19 is a common fraction less than 1, isn't it? Numerator is greater than denominator. So, this is 14 by 19 is less than 1. When it is less than 1, you subtract 1 from this full number. 27 minus 1. What is 27 minus 1?
27 minus 1 equal to 26. Write it as 26. 19 minus 14 equal to 5. Write it as 5 by 19.
Simple. 27 minus 14 by 19. 14 by 19 is less than 1. Subtract 1 from this. 27 minus 1 is 26, and the difference between numerator and denominator is 5 by denominator. That is the answer. Now, here also same, 8 minus half 7 and half. So, 1 by 2 is less than 1. So, 8 minus 1 7. What is the difference of numerator and denominator? 1. 1 by 2 is, you write 7 and half. Here also, now I think everybody will say this very easily. What to do?
3, 7, 8, 9, 5, 4 minus 104 by 109 equal to 3, 7, 8, 9, 5, 3.
378954 will become 378953, and then what to do? The difference between numerator and denominator, how much? 109 minus 4, 5 by 109. Simply this is the answer. Will you believe? Exact answer, and you will be getting questions like this in competitive small questions.
68 minus 15 by 31. 68 into 31. 1 into 68 equal to 68. 68 here. 3 into 8 equal to 24. 4 here, 1 outside. 3 into 6 equal to 18. 18 plus 2 equal to 20. 20 here. 8, 0, 1, 2.
Okay, 2108. So, 68 into 31 is 2108.
2108 minus 15 equal to 2093. 2093 divided by 31. 31 into 6 equal to 186. 9 minus 6 equal to 3. 3 here. 10 minus 8 equal to 2. 2 here. 31 into 7 equal to 217. 7 here, 217 here. 13 minus 7 equal to 6. 6 here. 2 minus 1, 1. The answer is 67, 16 by 31.
16 by 16 is the remainder, the 31. Okay. Multiply 68 with 31, subtract 15. 68 with 31 this, subtract 15. Okay, and you will get this, and this is the answer. Now, instead of doing all these are the common phenomena everywhere, any competitive examination, let it be banks, LIC or even civil services, group 1, anything, maths paper will be there initially. There these subtractions are common. Directly they may not give. In some complicated problem, in some problem they will come like this. Here again immediately write 61, multiply all these things, lot of time will be consumed. By seeing this problem, we can write in few seconds. So, here
68 minus 1 equal to 67. Write it as 67. 31 minus 15 equal to 16. Write it as 16 by 31.
you can write 3 digits, 4 digits, happily you can play. See,
658 minus 115 divided by 269. equal to 658 minus 1 equal to 657. Write it as 657. 9 minus 5 equal to 4. Write it as 4. 6 minus 1 equal to 5. Write it as 5. 2 minus 1 equal to 1. Write it as 1. 154 by 269. 8, 9, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 minus 101 divided by 119. 8, 9, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 1, 1, 1, 9 minus 1, 0, 1 equal to 1, 8. Write it as 1, 8 divided by 1, 1, 9.
This is one of the best ways of, one of our own ways rather, one of our own ways of solving using speed maths. Thank you. Now, I will show you some more examples. See,
2, 3, 8, 9, 6, 2, 5 minus 105 divided by 211. 2, 3, 8, 9, 6, 2, 5 minus 1 equal to 4. Write it as 4. 211 minus 105 equal to 106. Write it as 106 divided by 211. 6, 8, 9, 4 minus 1998 divided by 2011.
2011. They may give, see in competitive examinations, they may give anything just to deceive you. If you attempt this, you will fail. You will lose the exam. It will take 5 minutes or 4 minutes, multiply, subtract, do all these things. They will give like that, so that you have to leave them. Or if you know speed maths, that fellow want to deceive you, you can deceive that fellow. You can do it in few seconds. What is the answer?
6, 8, 9, 4 minus 1 equal to 3. Write it as 3. 2, 0, 1, 1 minus 1, 9, 9, 8 equal to 1, 3. Write it as 1, 3 divided by 2, 0, 1, 1. The final answer is 6893 into 13 by 2011.
Now, see, simply small things also can be done. As I told you,
8 minus 1 by 2 equal to 7 into 1 by 2. 6, 0 minus 3 divided by 5 equal to 60 minus 1 equal to 59. Write it as 59. 5 minus 3 equal to 2. Write it as 2 divided by 5. 6, 0, 0, 0 minus 1, 7 divided by 1, 9. 6, 0, 0, 0 minus 1 equal to 5, 9, 9, 9. Write it as 5, 9, 9, 9. 19 minus 17 equal to 2. write it as 2 divided by 19. The final answer is 5,992 by 19.
That is the subtraction of this fraction. And some people will raise some questions.
28 minus 1, 4 by 5. 28 minus 1 equal to 27. Write it as 27. Minus 4 by 5 equal to 26. 5 minus 4 equal to 1. Write it as 1 by 5.
I will show you another example anyhow.
29 minus
minus
2 into 3 by 8. 29 minus 2 equal to 27. Write it as 27. 27 minus 3 by 8 equal to 27 minus 1 equal to 26. Write it as 26. 8 minus 3 equal to 5. Write it as 5 divided by 8.
29 minus 2, 27, and again it will become 27 minus 3 by 8. 27, 3 by 8 reduce 1, this is less than 1. So, this will become 26 and the difference of 8 and 3 is 5 by 8. So, 29 minus 2 3 by 8 is 26 5 by 8. Am I clear? 26 5 by 8, like that you have to do. The answer is 26 5 by 8. First to reduce 2, it will become 27, again reduce 1, 26, and the difference of numerator and denominator is 5 by 8. So, this is the answer. Like this you can do. These doubts will come generally, that is why I am clarifying. First to you subtract this full number and it will become a subtraction like this, and then use speed math and do it in few seconds. Okay, thank you.